What is morning grounding ritual and how can it benefit your overall well-being? Before going further, let me tell you about myself. I'm Yukta, your soul guide and an inspirational speaker and also a singer. Morning grounding meditation ritual helps our body to be aligned with our mind, body and soul. It is a practice to center your energy. Here I'm going to tell you 5 to 10 minutes of grounding meditation ritual to practice easily in just 3 following steps. Number 1, connect with your body. First, what you need to do is sit, stand or lay down according to your comfortable zone on the ground and prefer to be barefoot. Make sure you are in a silent and comfortable environment, and if you want, you can play a soothing background music as well according to your preference. Take 3 to 5 minutes deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. You can also do pranayama exercise in which what you need to do is first you need to inhale from your left nose and then exhale from your right nose. Then inhale from your right nose and then exhale from your left nose. I've also heard from people that when their body shivers, they are like having that anxiety. If they are going to perform somewhere on the stage or anywhere, if they are going to speak somewhere in front of many people, they are getting that anxiety in themselves. It is very easy and very comfortable exercise. Just take 5 seconds or 10 seconds and then do that exercise on that particular situation and then see how your body is actually calming down. The second one is breath work or mantra. Before starting the meditation, you need to first concentrate on your third eye chakra. This is the third eye chakra, which actually connects you through your soul and make you realize that yes, I'm in the present moment. Then take 3 to 5 deep breaths again. You can also use box breathing. And what is box breathing now? What you need to do is inhale from your nose for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 4 seconds, then again exhale for 4, then hold for 4 seconds, and this cycle gets repeated 4 times. It is actually used to calm your mind and reduce the stress level which you are having in your body. You can also work on the grounding mantra as well, which is actually very beneficial in while doing the meditation. So you have to say, I am rooted, I am balanced, I am whole, and then calm your body and relax. Why you need to do this grounding mantras and using the box breathing, what is actually the benefits you will get from it? Because sometimes what happens while we are meditating, we actually get distracted by lots of thoughts in our mind. You are not able to concentrate sometimes while you are meditating. So this box breathing actually helps you in doing that. What it will help you to release all the stress level which is actually distracting your mind that and not letting you focus. So it helps you to do the meditation perfectly, and this is how you can actually control your mind. Now the third step is set your intention. I would prefer you to do meditation at least for 10 minutes daily. What you need to do is rub your hands firmly and put it on your eyes, then the whole body. Do this process for 3 times repeatedly. Join your hands and affirm with me. Thank you, universe, for everything you have given to me. I am safe in my body. I'm fully here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So these were the 3 easy steps of grounding ritual meditation, which is actually very, very important and very, very healthy. And I would like to suggest you, please make a routine of doing that daily, because actually it will help you so much in your life. So be brave, be gentle, be peaceful, and make your soul a happy place to live in. For more such videos, follow our page Atma Yukta Soul, and if you have any difficulty and any help you want regarding this meditation and you are not able to follow these things, so you can DM me on my account of Atma Yukta Soul and I'll be giving you the reply accordingly. Thank you so much, and Jai Ma Kali.